Dama Bianca is one of my favorite fragrances in my collection, but I have been dying to get my nose on the dupe of this fragrance to see if it can take the crown. Hey there, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I hope that you're doing really well. I am super curious about this. This was actually a blind buy. We're gonna unbox it and we're going to find out if it smells even close to this fragrance. I use this really sparingly because I do not look forward to purchasing another bottle. And this is a fragrance that has become an absolute staple now in my collection. It's so beautiful. When I heard there was a dupe, I was like, I need to get my nose on it. And I did blind buy it. I don't recommend ever blind buying a fragrance. I took one for the team so I can share my thoughts if I think it's worth even purchasing this perfume. Let's just get straight into it. Our Haramain Junoon Noir. Packaging is really nice actually. It feels really luxurious as well. I actually like the bottle, it's very sleek. I like the black and gold aesthetic. Looking at the bottle designs side by side, I do love the way that this bottle looks very angelic, it's very feminine, looks beautiful on your dresser, on your table. This is winning with the packaging, but I don't dislike this. I think it's very simple, very sleek. So excited to spray this. This is going to be so interesting. Oh my goodness. What the actual... I'm actually speechless. You mean to tell me I spent hundreds of dollars on that perfume? Okay, from the initial opening and spray on paper, I would think that this was Dama Bianca. I am in shock. Are you kidding me? Okay, let me spray the original now. And I'm gonna put it on my skin because you can't just go by paper. You have to put it on your skin. Let's spray the original Dama Bianca. What? There really is not any difference to me in that opening. You are getting those kind of very citrusy, very fresh notes of the lime, the kumquat. If you are not familiar with the notes of Dama Bianca, the notes listed are kumquat, lime, you have violet, iris, lilac, jasmine, and lily of the valley. And base notes you have vanilla, malt, white musk, ambrette, sandalwood and cedar. Notes listed for Junoon Noir, you have also kumquat, lime, orris, violet, jasmine and lily of the valley. And base notes you have vanilla, musk, sandalwood and cedar. You can see they are very similar. I'm just going to spray them both on my skin now so I can really get a true comparison. I haven't got any other perfume on, I'm just comparing these two. So on one side I have the original and this side I have the dupe. On skin, I'm also getting the same. I feel like because I've had this bottle a while and you can see it's even like the color has darkened. This is kind of aged now. It could be a hint, just like a minute hint sweeter, but I feel like that is to do with the bottle having aged. Whereas this one is fresh, still sweet, but just a little touch less sweet than this one. But I feel like after a while, this will just also age and it's gonna smell just as sweet. I truly didn't know what to expect, but my expectations have just totally been exceeded. This is so good. Both of these fragrances are soft, feminine, floral vanilla scents with a gorgeous powdery finish. They definitely both smell very angelic. If you are looking for an affordable alternative to Dama Bianca, I cannot recommend this enough. This is a 10 out of 10. I will put in the description when I post this video how long it actually lasted on my skin. Longevity for me anyway with Dama Bianca is actually pretty good. I would say I probably get 6 to 8 hours with Dama Bianca. It's not a huge projecting fragrance, but it's long lasting. It's very delicate, very pretty, and the perfect kind of like bridal scent. If you want this as your wedding fragrance, you could save so much money and get this perfume and have the same effect. I know this is gorgeous though. The bottle, photography wise, I think this would look amazing for a wedding. You could decant this into another bottle. Now I have tried this and I have it. I could not justify ever paying what I did for this perfume again. This smells too good, too close to even pass up. It's actually a relief to know that when I finish this bottle, there is a fragrance out there that is way more affordable, so I never have to feel like I'm missing out on having this perfume because it is so beautiful. I need to know, because I'm really curious, are you team luxury or are you team smart dupe? If you have tried either of these fragrances or if you have either of them, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you love fragrance content. I will see you in the next video. Take care, bye.